I hope you understood the first three parts of our tutorial. Now let's have a look at fourth part, that is linear algebra. That is one of the most powerful and important portion of SciPy, as you can perform a numerous operations of matrices in this particular module of SciPy. So for that you have to import scipy.linear algebra, LINALG. I have created array A1, that is 2D array of 1, 2, 3, 4. First I will calculate the determinant of a matrix. For that I have to use .det, .determinant function. It will take array as an argument. So my array is 1, 2, 3, 4. When I will calculate determinant of this, you can see here that 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So determinant of my matrix is minus 2. It generates result. Now this is a special operation in this module, that is LU decomposition. So what is LU decomposition? Whenever I perform .lu in my particular array, it will generate three matrices. It will return three matrices, and I have to store it in a 3 variable. My array is, you can see here, 9 element 2D array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 7, 8, 8. It is my array. Now linear algebra .lu, and I will pass A as an argument. It will return 3. What is P? So P is my permutation matrix. L is my lower triangular matrix with unit diagonal element, and U is my upper triangular matrix. We'll have a look over it. So when I will print P, it will print the permutation matrix. When I will print L, it will print lower triangular. You can see that these all three elements are now 0. So this is my lower triangular matrix, and this is upper triangular matrix. So these all elements are having value, and other three elements are now 0. So this is upper triangular matrix. You can perform .lu operation on your matrix also. You can also calculate eigenvalues and eigenvectors of your matrix. For that you can use .eig method. .eig method will generate return two array. First is EV and second is EW. That is, first is eigenvalues and second is eigenvectors. So you have to store in 2 variables. When I will print eigenvalues, these are the eigenvalues of my array, and these are the eigenvectors of my array. You can also solve linear equations using this module. So general matrix equation is of the form Ax equal to B. So A is known, B is known, and X is our solution of this equation. So my A is this particular array and B is this particular array. I can solve these matrices using a simple method called .solve. This will take 2 arguments A and B and return a matrix, solution matrix, as an result. So my linear algebra.solve, I have passed 2 arguments A and B and returns X. When I will print X, it is a solution of this linear equation. So solution is 7 by 3, 11 by 3 and 1, that is minus 7 by 3, minus 7 by 3, 11 by 3 and minus 1. So this is a solution of my A and B. You can also calculate inverse of a matrix. So this is my array. Using .inv method, you can calculate inverse of a matrix. This is inverse of my original array A. For cross check, you can verify using this. A into inverse of A will return I, that is identity matrix. So A dot linear algebra inv of A, that is A dot inverse of A, that will return identity matrix of 3 cross 3, that is all diagonal elements are 1 and other are 0. So you can also cross verify by this. So SciPy.linear algebra, that is LINALG, can perform numerous operations of matrices, including determinant, inverse, solving linear equations, and many more. So you can explore this also.